Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, I have the S26 Ultra here and I'll be showing you how to on this device how to install WhatsApp. All right, and how to set it up. All right, so here we go. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is go to your Play Store. Make sure that you're signed in. You're going to search for WhatsApp. I've already done so. And of course, you're going to find WhatsApp. Hit install. Mine is already installed. You can hit open here, or of course you can exit and you can go here. So I'm going to tap, and of course you're going to see this screen here. You're going to have to choose your language. So go ahead and select your language. Mine is English. So I'm going to agree and continue. All right. So now it's going to allow WhatsApp to send notifications. Very important. So go ahead and allow. All right. So you're going to go ahead and enter your number. And once you enter your number, hit next. Verification number will be sent to your number. It will automatically allow you to go through. Once you confirm your number in terms of is this your number, the text will be auto-detected. If not, go ahead and read the information and hit continue. All right, so it says contacts and media. It's easy to send messages and photos to friends and family. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos, and other media. So of course, this is important as well for sending stuff, so you can hit continue. All right, allow WhatsApp to access contacts. So I'm going to hit allow again. And it says WhatsApp access music and audio files. Very important. I'm going to hit allow. You can always review these in your app's access settings later on. Allow up. So I'm going to allow WhatsApp to access photos and videos on your device. I'm going to allow limited access. Later on, you can actually choose what you want. All right. So here, I'm going to hit done. This is very important. If you want to transfer from an old phone, you hit transfer from old phone and do as it says and bring it close to this device, or you can restore from backup. All right, so see me use your number. If you had backed up, it will actually tell you. It's a good idea if you were transferring from another phone to do a backup there. I have backed up mine, so I'm going to use restore from last backup, which is the option above. So I'm going to hit restore and I'm going to hit continue. Here it's transferring the files, and of course, depending on the speed of your internet, it might take a while. My internet is relatively fast, so it should do in terms of speed. I'm going to block out sections of this in terms of my email. All right, so I'm going to hit next. Here you go. I'm going to hit next. And I have to block this out as well. So add your email. All right, so in terms of this, you can go ahead and hit next. All right, I'll have to block out sections of this as well. So I'm going to continue as Ricardo. All right, so notice it has been verified. Once it's been verified, it continue. All right, now I'll have to block out sections of this as well. Now it's gonna finish the restoration by decompressing the files, but of course you can start to see your contacts being populated. All right, so that's it. And once the process is finished, it's gonna tell you that it's finished and you will have WhatsApp again. All right, so hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one in terms of setting up WhatsApp. Bye.